So guys, today we are going to build some kelp farm. First you need to make a tea like this. No, wait. Let's go far away due to lag, mate. So build a tea like this and break the middle block. Place a redstone torch and a repeater. 1 second. I don't have repeater. Repeater. Yeah. Place a repeater like this. We are giving it some wooden touch. Now a redstone touch like this. It will blink like this. You can also change its tick speeds and it works as a redstone clock. You can change the tick speed by tapping on the redstone repeater. Now what you need to do is place two blocks like this and two blocks behind it. So and two sticky pistons if one should work. And now you need to take a lever to shut off it, or else it will cause a lot of lag. Shut off it, you can on off it later. And some redstone dust going behind the two sticky pistons. After doing this, place two bags in front of the sticky piston and two sand like this, and go up to height and forming a L like this. Don't place any block. If you don't place any block, see, it will just pour out. So what you need to do is place the sand and cover it with wood. Surround the whole sand like that in the same way so that it won't pour in any way, any direction. And do it, just place some blocks for symmetry, and don't place any blocks under the sticky piston. It will reduce the tick speed. So what you need to do is extend the redstone using redstone torches. It should go off, and you need to do the same like this up to 3 height, and the 1 second, and the block on it, and the torch. Now the top torch should go off. Now what you need to do is place two blocks and standard pistons and some blocks under it. You can use any type of piston here. I am using standard piston just to test out. You can also use normal pistons instead of the sticky piston, sorry. And you need to extend it all the way 3 blocks high, and you need to place some blocks as a temporary blocks, and I am doing it with barrel to give it more wooden touch. And now you need to place these blocks, shift and keep the hoppers, and two hoppers facing downwards, two smokers, and 1 sec bro, two hoppers going down from the smoker to another barrel. Now it should look just like it. You need to place hoppers on the either sides and barrels on it, just to fill the 1 sec bro. To make it as a fuel, you can keep the fuel in the sides and it will get on it. And you need to place something like this so that the water won't escape out, and you need to cover the hole. Let's do it later. And use anything, any type of material you like to use, you need to decorate. And let's give a stripe birchwood border to it. Striped birchwood, not bridge. And same on this side. Yeah, it looks cool. Two slabs and water going in, jump in. Yeah, some water. Now you need to place kelp just like this on the two sands, and it's so easy made. You can keep good luck. Yeah, you can keep in any way. And for my safety reasons, to get out, I am placing some signs here so that I can get out without destroying any contraptions. You can keep it like this, or you can avoid placing those signs. Now what you need to do is fill the barrels with some fuel, any kind of fuel, and now push the lever. See, as you can see, it drops a very fast rate that it will fill in some seconds. Yeah, this is thumbnail. I am taking screenshot, and that's it for today. Bye. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye.